Hi, second graders. Happy Wednesday. This is that break in the middle of the week where you have just a to do list to tackle and then you're done for the day. So let's look at your to do list for today. Here we are in your classroom. Go to the green folder that says Wednesday work and click on it. And inside the folder, you will see 5 items. You will see a number 1 with a video, and that's what this is. And so I just don't have it loaded yet. So after you watch this video, you're then going to go to do your seesaw activity. I don't care which seesaw activity you do first and second. That doesn't matter to me. So clicking on this, you are going to open up Seesaw. You're going to see 2 activities in there. There's one that is exploring objects and materials, and one that is a plural detective. You can do them both at once. You can do them in any order you like, as long as you get everything done today. So let's look at these 2 activities. The first one is having you pick an item, take a picture of that item, and then describe that item. And so I'm going to show you my example, and then I'll show you how to do yours. So you see there are words written around the item. This is a picture that I took, and up there's a play button because I recorded my voice. So watch and look and see what this activity looks like when you're all done.
My object is my iPhone. It is hard. It's the shape of a rectangle. It's made of metal and glass, and it is used to call people.
Okay, and so your job is to first find an object. And really, that object can be anything. It can be a pencil, it can be a stuffed animal, an action figure, it can be a book, a blanket. I don't care. Just choose one object. Then, when you're ready, you're going to click on the green Add Response button. And you're going to take a picture, choose who you are. Then you're going to take a picture of that item. So I'm going to pretend to do it in front of you with I'll do it with my chapstick. Okay, let's see if I can do it. I'm going to aim this at the camera. And I'm not sure if I can do this, but I'll try. Okay. Great, it took the picture. So now my job is to write words around describing the chapstick. So I go to my text box and I have to think about that item. What's the shape of it? What's the color of it? What's the feel of it? What do I use it for? So I know that it is the shape of a cylinder. So I'm going to write cylinder. And then I can drag that text box anywhere I like, so that it's not covering something. All right, so then I would insert another text box and I can move that over, and then I would write inside another word that describes it. Notice I'm not writing sentences. I'm just writing key words. So again, the shape, the color, the feel of it, what it's used for. When you're all done, you still have to record your voice. So you would go over to the left side tools and but keep in mind, I want you to have 4 words written in there. When you have 4 words written in there, then you record your voice. You click on the microphone and you record your voice saying, my object is a chapstick. It is the shape of a cylinder. It is also blah. And then you finish describing it using the words that you wrote. When you're finished, you go up to the top right and click on the check mark, and that turns in your assignment. Okay. The next assignment, I'm going to trash that, okay, and go back. Okay, so the next assignment is the plural detective assignment. So remember, we're working on singulars and plurals. So cat is singular, 1. Cats is plural, more than 1. I added an S to it. Some words have to become plural by you adding ES. So looking at this activity, I'm going to go to Add Response to start it. This activity actually helps you a lot. Inside this magnifying glass are these endings, X, S, CH, and SH. If a noun ends in any one of these, then you now know you have to add an ES to make it plural. If the word does not end in these letters, then you just add an S to it. How do you do it? Well, this is what you do. You choose the pen, the marker, whatever, and I would just choose the smallest point on it. And then let's say I'm going to go up to the word bird. It ends in a D. That's not one of these. So I know I just have to add an S. And so I actually draw an S on it. And then let's say I go to the word mix, ends in an X. I look up here. Oh, that's one of those. I have to make sure to add an ES because that has one of those special endings. So I actually add ES. You go through this entire list, all the words, and add either S or ES on it. And when you're all finished, you turn it in by clicking on the check mark in the top right. Okay, back to our to-do list. If you did the 2 seesaws, then you've done seesaw plurals and seesaw describe an object. You now have a foundations video to watch. In the foundations video, you're going to be asked to write words and to write sentences, and you're expected to do that. So also you're expected to talk to the computer when you're being told to read things or to say sounds. When you're done with that, you're down to the bottom of your list, and that's a slideshow from Ms. Zolfi. You watch it and watch the videos in it, and then you're done with my list. However, there are a few of you that did not get the chance to do your pattern seesaw activity yesterday. So today you have that chance to do it. So go into Seesaw, and the pattern activity should still be there for you to do. So instead of having 2 seesaw activities, some of you will have 3. That's the pattern one that most of you finished, but some of you still have to do it. When you're done with all of that, you're done with Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow morning at our morning meeting. Have a great rest of your day.